in. Oh, takut saya kalau guys.
Iya.
Ambil ini. Saya suka. Tuh je mer. Tidinten. Tatalora. Nice. On send la vidéo que ça. Oma kira gawa para nanti nyati dia juga. Ya kan. Mau tentang kenapa? So excited. Aw. Thank you, girl. Eu adoro esse spray. I'm trying to get the best lighting, but I can't. Hi guys. Happy Friday. Happy Black Friday. Welcome to a new vlog. If you're new, hi. If you're returning, thank you so much for coming back, baby. I'm starting a new vlog in the car. It's my last Friday in the UK. I'm actually leaving. Yo, Batung. I'm so sad, but my husband and I are actually driving to Combran to try get some toiletries. We've literally like run out. We don't have serums, we don't have just a couple of things, man. I'll show you guys once we get back to the house what we managed to get. But yeah, I just thought let me start this vlog right here and then we can make our way together.
In 300 meters, turn right.
Back home, pots are on the stove. Let's unbox. Got lotion, was like £3.25, I think. My husband is getting into Korean skincare. Please stop.
Anastasia.
My husband is getting into Korean skincare, so that's what he got. This. Hope you guys can see. It's a cleansing balm something. Toothpaste. Retinol for the girl. Face wash for the girl. Domestos. We've got the Hydro Boost serum. One for oily skin, one for dry skin. My husband is sick and tired of me using what do you call it? Oh, a cigarette lighter. So we got a utility lighter. got some bananas and some chocolates for my babies. These are so cute. Got them from Poundland. We got 2 packs. Good morning. I haven't vlogged the past 2-3 days. Yeah. Stress. I ordered a package that has like my outfit. It hasn't arrived. It hasn't arrived yet, and my husband and I are actually gonna leave in 3 hours because my flight is for 10 a.m. from Gatwick, and that means check-in is like 6 a.m. And because we live a couple of hours away, I think about, if we were to drive, it's about 2 hours away, but we're not gonna drive there, we're gonna catch a train. And then the morning trains from here are not reliable at all. If you guys remember what happened with my husband when he went to pick me up at the airport. So I'm not gonna risk that because this time around I'm actually catching a flight, so there's no time to wait. So we decided to book accommodation in Hampton by Hilton. Yeah, in Gatwick, like it's right in the airport. So we're gonna leave today around lunch hour, catch that train, go to Gatwick. But my package is not here. Tell me what I'm gonna wear. Please tell me what I'm going to wear. And you know what? I actually took advantage of the Black Friday. I think that's one thing that delayed because it's Black Friday, Cyber Monday, whatever you call it. So I think delivery companies are just packed with like loads of stuff to deliver. So yeah, I was hoping for a miracle. Oh, I did my nails. I did my toenails as well. I just finished doing this hand. I want to clean up, pack the rest of my stuff, and then close my bags. I was honestly waiting for the package to arrive. At the train station, trying to print our tickets, and then we're gonna get on a train. So it's going well. The package didn't come. It's fine. But we finally arrived in Hampton by Hilton, Gatwick. Guys, I almost got on a train to Peru. There was a lot going on. There was so many people. It was a lot going on. So when I saw a group of people and having gotten out from the train that we got, we had like less than a minute to get to the next train. So I just saw signs, so many signs, so many people were running. I thought, you know what, this is probably our train. I waited there, waited. My husband was like behind me. After a couple of minutes he calls me, he's like, girl, where the hell are you going? Let's go. You need to enter some door there, go down the escalator. Was a home mess, guys. London London is not a joke. I could have never done this alone. I swear, I can't. Not even the next time I come here. I can't. I just can't do it. But by the grace of God, we arrived. I don't even know how, but we are here. It's a cute little hotel. I think you guys should have seen that by the room tour. So yeah, very convenient actually. On our way here I saw some fast food restaurants, like they have Starbucks, they have other stuff. So we're just gonna go outside now to see what my husband and I can get, because we're hungry. We only had breakfast in the morning and then we got water on our way here. That's it. We don't have lunch or anything, and it's probably like 6 o'clock now. So we're just gonna find something to eat. And my husband did something. My husband locked my big luggage bag and he doesn't remember the passcode he used. So now I'm stuck with the bag that's locked. We don't know how to unlock it. And then we waited actually on our way here to the hotel. The bag is like 24.3 I think kg, and the limit is 23. My other bag is 25.1 kg. I don't even know what I have packed in there, but something needs to go. I need to leave something with my husband. I don't know what. I'll find a plan. Honestly, I didn't think I had so many things. Hey, I really didn't think so, but we'll have to sort it out. I can't use chopsticks. I'm having a dark something. It's good though. A bit spicy. That's nice. Check in. Let's go get breakfast. Managed to check in. Boarding is at 9. Flight takeoff is 10. So yeah, I'm gonna get breakfast and then chill for a little bit. I think we can take 45 minutes. Yeah, it's around 7:30 now, so it's not bad. OOTD. I was just washing my hands after using the bathroom and there's water, but it should dry off.
to blush when somebody says your name. In my stomach there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak. Trying to stand but my knees go weak. What's happening to me? In the dark, can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow, staring out the window, trying to stop for a sign. It's the reason why. You always on my mind, yeah. You come around like a shadow, and I see you, and I see you. Baby, we're mine, yeah. Never know when you might walk by, so I gotta be right on time. O's in my notebook, checking how my hair and my nails look. I feel myself in the zone. You're nervous when you call. I say I'm not home. See your face like it's my favorite song. Should I send an email at home? You're the number one topic on the phone. I wonder if you know, or do you have a clue? Yeah. I lay my head on my pillow, and you got me staring out the window. We were trying to start for a sign. What's the reason why? You're always sexy boy. You're sexy boy. Hey baby, I don't know. Baby, when something now is taking over me. Yeah. I'm not gonna run out, just gonna stand here and sleep. Yeah. Hey, baby.
Alright, safely in Addis. Such a pretty hotel. They said almost the rooms are fully occupied. They're still preparing them, so we should come have dinner. It's literally like 10 past 11 p.m. here. So let's go eat. This is such a stunning room. Oh my word. Guys, how cute. That's the bathroom. Has a shower and a bathtub. So cute. Very nice. Very, very nice. I don't know what this is. Let's open and check. Oh, nice. I thought it was a fridge. Oh, it is a fridge. There's a fridge down there. There's water, 2 bottles of water. So happy. A good TV, the curtains. There's a desk and a little chair. It's actually a twin bed room. I love it. Honestly, I can't complain. Let's just check if the windows are closed and everything. Very nice. You know, being a woman, eh? Okay, I think it's secure. I was gonna say, being a woman, I was so skeptical about coming to sleep here by myself. When I tried to book a flight, and they told me that I had to have a long layover here. I'm like, there's no way. I've never slept by myself in a foreign country in a hotel. Even back home, I don't think I've ever spent the night by myself in a hotel. So I was kind of skeptical about it, like, how's that gonna work though? But yeah, I'm very happy. It feels safe. The door, I locked the door. On the inside, like, you can't open from the outside. Oh, there's my name. How cute. Let me show you guys what I mean. See this lock? I did that and I locked again there. So whoever from the, you can't open it from the outside even if you have a key. So I'm very happy about that. Keys inside so that the lights can be on. Yeah, I was gonna show you guys my name on the screen, darling. Hi, dolls. That is the time, literally. I fly out at 8:30 in the morning, so I have to get the shuttle by 6:30. Yeah, I have a coupon for breakfast. I'm not too sure. I'm not too sure if I want to go have breakfast, guys. The restaurant that side, like this hotel seems like it's a 2-building hotel. Ne? This one looks a lot newer than the one on the other side. That kitchen hall restaurant type of situation almost took me out. Like, I went in there, I'm like, I wonder what the rooms are gonna look like. I even for a second thought they were gonna be telling me, "Hore, we're gonna share a room or something with a total stranger." Like, I was so concerned. I even called my husband. But yeah, and then when I was done eating, they told me I could check in, and then they gave me a little card that I had to present when I get to the side of the building. It's literally like, yeah, you cross the road, but still in the same complex. I don't know if you understand. I'll show you guys in the morning. I think you'll be able to see that a lot better. So yeah, I'm actually happy. I'm really happy with the room. This is the room that I saw on TikTok. Yes, I did my research. So I'm not too sure if I want to go out for breakfast in the morning, because Adis gave us a sandwich. I chose a beef flavor, so I think I might have to go for breakfast, but just to grab coffee. If they had a kettle in here and a cup, I wouldn't have to go outside, because I actually took a tea bag from the restaurant we slept at, from the hotel that we slept at with my husband in Gatwick. Yeah, so I was gonna have that with the sandwich, and then I'll see the rest on the flight. But yeah, I'm very happy. I'm going home. I'm gonna see my babies. I miss my man so much. Let me call him actually. Bye guys. I don't know if I see you guys later or tomorrow. I doubt I'm gonna sleep though. Probably just watch some TV, talk to my man all night. Good morning. Not the hotel reception actually calling me to wake me up to get ready for my flight. I'm like, City, thanks, but I could have woken up like 30 minutes later. My nose is so congested. I'm assuming it's the aircon. I never used that. I should have switched it off actually. I don't know why I didn't. I literally just took it up to 26 degrees, I think. I'm tired. I wanna quickly shower, then get ready. I don't know what the situation is gonna be like, to be very honest. Maybe the shuttle needs to do mini trips to the airport or something that just might delay. So I'm like, it's fine. Let me actually bath. It's 5 o'clock. They called me like 20 minutes earlier. Yeah, I think around 20 minutes to 5. So yeah, I think it's fine, because they said I should be by the bus or shuttle by 6:30. So honestly, there's way too much time. I'm actually considering not having breakfast at all. It's still so early. I was actually used to having breakfast around 11ish back home, so I think I'll pass. If I feel hungry, I can always have my sandwich and muffin. I got a blueberry muffin as well from the Hampton by Hilton Hotel. So I think once I feel a little bit hungry, I'll just have that, and then I'll have my coffee on the flight. It's fine, honestly. Ethiopia seems like such a nice place, actually, hey? Anyways, I'm all ready. Little after check. I'm wearing these leggings from Shein, my Adidas Sambas, crop top from Zara. This coat is actually my father-in-law's coat. My husband and I got it for him. But since my luggage was way overweight, my husband and I decided, you know what, this is a little bit heavier than my puffer jacket. So we decided to switch the two, put my puffer jacket in my luggage, and then I can just put this on. It's only now that I'm wearing it because I'm wearing a crop top, and I think it's a little bit chilly since it's cold. But I suspected that once I get here, it's going to be like so hot. So for the most part, I'll be just carrying it. This is me heading out. Let's go. I think it rained in the morning.
Django lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for Lucky Bona. Now so much you remake could have been all over. My feelings today swing like Django lover. Feelings today swing like Timbani got you. I'm a white dog in Venice. Why you say I did nothing for you? If I do anything you want me to do, Timbani got you.